Hey everyone, it's Alan Peng here. In today's Memorial Day, I'm really excited to be heading to Flagpole Hill Park today for Memorial Day. So, as we gather here, it's important to remember the true meaning of this day. Memorial Day is a time to honor and remember the courage men and women who made the ultimate sacrifice while serving in our armed force. Flagpole Hill Park is located in Dallas, Texas, is the perfect place to commemorate Memorial Day. It offers a serene environment where we can reflect our respects. And there's some concerts and even fireworks. So, let's make this day meaningful as we remember and honor our fallen heroes. So, thank you for joining me on this journey and enjoy this video. Alright, thanks for watching the Apeng 18. Just want to let you know to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell. We're going to try to do a really good job this year. You can also follow us on social media, which is my Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can also check out my portfolio website for more information. I hope you had a meaningful Memorial Day. Visiting Flagpole Hill Park today was a truly humbling experience. Being in the presence of the memorial and witnesses the unity of the community in honoring our fallen soldiers reminded me the incredible sacrifice they made for our country. So I'm incredibly grateful for the opportunity to be part of this commemoration respects. So I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for being part of this journey. Your support means the world to me, and I'm grateful to have shared this experience with you. So as we conclude, I hope that Memorial Day served as a reminder of the sacrifice made by our military personnel and inspired us to live lives worthy of their legacy. Let's continue to honor and remember them in everything we do. So thank you once again for joining me, and I look forward to connecting with you. So take care and remember to keep the memory of our fallen hero lives. So bye for now.
Coming up next, the Apeng 18. We'll be right back. Keep it here.